Welcome to the session on common Terraform commands. We'll explore the key commands used in real project. So, introduction to Terraform. Terraform is an open source tool for defining cloud infrastructure as code. It works with providers like AWS, GCP, and Azure. Terraform init initializes your working directory and downloads required providers, plugin. Always run this command first. Terraform FMT formats your .tf files, keeps code clean and consistent. Terraform validate checks for syntax errors in your configuration. It does not access the cloud resources. Terraform plan shows what changes Terraform will make. Review this before applying. Terraform apply applies the plan changes to Terraform to infrastructure. Prompts for configuration by default. Terraform destroy deletes all infrastructure managed by Terraform. Use this command with caution. Terraform output displays the output defined in configuration. Useful for fetching IPs, URLs, and other outputs. Terraform show displays the current state or plan or a plan file. Used to inspect current resources, can show detailed information about each resource. Terraform state advanced commands for inspecting and modifying the Terraform state file. Terraform import brings existing resources into Terraform management. Summary: start with init, format with FMT, validate with validate, use plan before apply to preview changes, use destroy to tear down infrastructure, use output, show, and state for inspection and troubleshooting, use import to manage existing resources. Thank you.